values in our tables, we have to write the what? Insert query, right? And this is the format: insert into table name, whatever the column
Are you sharing?
sorry.
Sir, your screen is not visible, sir.
Oh, 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 oh. Sorry, guys. So it should be visible now, right?
Sir, visible.
So if you are inserting any data in MySQL table, what is the format of insert? The query, SQL query is insert into table name and the number of columns where you are inserting the values and the values. Clear, guys?
Yes.
And SQL is query must be quoted in PHP double quotes, between double quotes, or string values inside its query must be quoted, numeric value must not be quoted, and the word null must not be quoted, right? So let us see some examples. So first of all, I'm giving you the object oriented one. So we have already created table, this one, my guests, right? And then what I need to do? Insert, right? So I have to create this query now, right, guys? So
Yes.
if I see here, insert data work.php, I'm creating a file and php, which connection string I have to include? Required, which one, guys?
dbcon oop.
PHP. This is how your include and require is making your life easy, right? So I have to create a SQL command. How to insert? Insert into table name. What was the table name? What was the table name, guys?
Sir, my guest. My guest.
My guest.
My guest. This was the my guest, right? Into my guest. Then what we type here? Field name. First name, then last name, then email. Right, guys?
Yes, sir.
And then again what we type? Values. What values you are inserting? How we can supply the values? First value is, suppose John I'm inserting. Then I'm for last name is John Red. Actually double quotes is outside, then I have to put it's a single quotes, right? Then I'm typing his email, john@gmail.com, right? Query is my ready na to insert the data. What is the data? This is the data na. This is the data which I have to insert in this table,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes, sir.
these are the corresponding fields. Now if you see, again I'm showing you create table. This is the query to execute the SQL query. Con, I have to call method of con query, right? So if dollar $con, what I have to write here?
So, query.
Query. And what I have to pass here?
SQL. Dollar SQL.
Yes, SQL. Maybe you can check here, not check, it's up to you. For better error handling, you should check here. If successfully added, then what you say? Echo record successfully created in table, right?
Yes, sir.
Else what? Maybe there is some error. There is error. And what error you can show? How you can say the error? Dollar $con, one property is error. Right? Clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
So this should, what this would do? You see, I have not given the ID here. What is the meaning of this? Because what I created when I was creating the table, that was auto increment.
Auto increment.
Means if I not supplied any value, it will start from 1.
1.
It will automatically create it. So what is my file name? Create table -op.php, right? No, sorry. Insert data na. This one I have created na. Then con what? Close the connection. Insert data -op. Insert data -op. Here is saying unknown column first name FIR. What is the problem?
Spelling, sir. Spelling.
Yes. So here should be yes. Then sorry. Yes. Then R na. FIRST na. Right?
Yes, sir.
Now run again. What is FIRST first name? And what was in the table? Oh my God. You see?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
There is a problem. So you can do through the query. Also, I can go to the PHP MyAdmin. This was my DB. This is the table. And I see the structure. This is the structure. Right?
Yes, sir.
And I can change it. FIRST. I can edit from here. Right? Right, guys?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
Save.
Yes, sir.
Corrected?
Yes, sir.
Now I should be okay. So if I run it again,
Sir, there's an extra S only.
Yes, sir.
what?
Post S name. Post
Extra
S
S in there, sir. First.
Oh, S is still there, na?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh my God, how I'm doing this? Now message is record successfully created in table. Let us see table. This is my table. You see?
Yes, sir.
Guys,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and you see one is automatically added here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is auto increment primary key. If I give another value here, j, saying I'm giving a j, again run this one, what will happen? It will again insert one value. Now this, you see?
Yes, sir.
Now this is auto increment is taking care of that. This is the primary key, this is the first name, last name, email, and this date is automatically coming. Why? Because if you see create table,
We have used cut.
timestamp. I have given this one. So by default it's a heading timestamp, right? So clear, guys? You see multiple data is inserting here.
Yes. Yes, sir.
Now same thing you can do with insert data, what, procedural. So if I copy this procedural code, this is the procedural code, right? This is thing now, everything will be same. If I copy this one, op1, I'm just going to copy and put this in procedural. What I need to change? Procedural, I have different style of connection now. So IL is pro, right? Connection. Query is same. Query will be same now. What is going to change here? MySQLi
Query.
query, and then what we pass?
$con and $SQL.
$con and $SQL. And how we close the connection? MySQL close, right?
.con.
And what we close? This,
$con.
right? So now let me run this. What is the name of the pro? Record successfully created. So if you see, browse again, the same record added now, because I am not checking any validation doing now कि this record was existing or not existing. So one third record is created, third ID and same name is same, because database same, table is same, I am different way I am inserting the values. Clear, guys? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. Now if I have to do the same thing through PDO, how I can do? How I can do? Later one example of PDO. Create table. Let me copy this, insert data PDO. This will be same. Now what I want to do? Some data insert now. This is the query. So if you want to use through the PDO, This will be changed, na? Sequence will be changed, right? Statement is changed, na? Guys, any acknowledgement?
Yes.
And now I have to just execute will be same and record created. Created successfully. Here suppose that I am giving another name, Ashok. And if I run this, PDO, record created successfully, right?
Yes.
Now browse again. You see? Action is same, way of calling and way of doing the same thing using PDO or Pro and OP are little different, right? So you should focus on PDO and OP. You should only know that how the procedural works. Just here MySQL query write and then pass the connection string and this one. Clear, guys? So
Yes, sir.
you all have insert database, now table you have. So can you write a query to insert data in your respective tables? See the table you have created.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, sure, please do.